Hello, kindergartners. This is our solve and share for lesson 4-2. So for this solve and share, you will need your yellow and red crayon and your pencil. So make sure you have those three things as well as your workbook out. If you're missing one of the supplies you need, red crayon, yellow crayon, pencil, or your workbook, go get them. Okay. Now that we have our supplies, here's our solve and share. Emily is planting seedlings or little plants. She plants 5 red pepper seedlings and 7 yellow pepper seedlings. Use counters to show the groups of seedlings. Write the numbers, then circle the number that tells which group has more. We're going to draw our counters in. So pull out your red and let's draw our 5 red pepper plants that Emily planted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your turn. You draw your 5 red pepper plants with your red crayon. Great. Now let's pull out that yellow crayon and let's draw our 7 yellow pepper plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now it's your turn. You draw your 7 pepper plants with your yellow crayon. Awesome. Now with our pencil, let's write how many red she planted. She planted 5. And down below, we'll write how many yellow. She planted 7. All right, so now we have to do some comparing. Use your numbers or use your picture and compare which group does she have more of. Go ahead and do some comparing and some thinking. Well, as I'm looking at it, I can tell that she has more yellow. And there's 2 ways I can tell. One way is I know this number, 7, is greater than 5. Because when I think about when I count, I say 5 before I say 7, which means 7 is greater. So that means she has more yellow pepper plants because the 7 represented her yellow pepper plants. I can also use my picture too that I drew of my counters. So I can see I have my 5 red pepper plants and my 7 yellow. And I have 2 yellow without a match. So remember, we can compare 1 to 1 or we can compare our numbers. Bye, kindergartners.